All right, here we are back again with another spectator video. Tonight doing a new one. This is the Antietam Creek Conquest. This is hosted by 19th Indiana. I appreciate them letting me spectate. So without further ado, let's get into this. We'll do the
Don't worry, Tess.
The run through of the units that are involved, as well as the officers who are leading. So let's get started. Balance is a little skewed to the CSA tonight, but we'll see if things balance out. Obviously we have 19th Indiana. They're going to be led by Captain Joker. We got 5th, led by McMadden. We've got FSB by Reaper, HL by Cole, PB by, I'm going to assume that's Newberry, and James. They have enough guys, they got 2 officers. And looks like we've got a mixture of 83rd in here as well for the Union. We got Hood for 42nd PA, as well as Buford. Looks like they've got guys in both companies. Jacobson, good showing by 42nd this evening, as well as Nolan for the RL side of 42nd PA. For IVB, you've got Salty, and that's it. Alright, let's get into this. So we had some issues with the latest update. Kind of caused problems with certain map packs crashing the game. So it should make for a very interesting weekend this weekend, especially for the organized events. If you can't play certain maps because it basically has broke the game. So this is a rough map for the Union, but I have seen the Union win it. You just have to play it really, really well. Play it smart.
All the way. Keep it going. All the way. All the way.
Holy, my screen's
got
black.
So is mine. What is going on?
most of 42nd here. Going to the right. They're going to meet 19
Two of them, two
and
flag.
PB. They're going to clash on the right. Union right flank. Let's see who we got in corn. We got HL here coming up through the corn, as well as some of PB's 19th Virginia Company C. Curious to see how Union plays this. This is a smart play here. There is a slight defilade. If you use this defilade to your advantage.
You see a flag to the south-southwest. Flag to the south-southwest.
CSA likes to use this fence. Union obviously does have a better position if they'll play the hill properly. Pull it back a little farther so you're not targets while you're loading. Let's go over here on the right, see what's happening over here.
Behind you.
Looks like CSA has been pushed back over here. Lost a flag.
Who says it? Thank you, Mr. Cladis. Keep that thin covered and keep it behind us. We'll be your bullet sponges.
Apologies for that.
Armball is actually pretty effective in volley.
Not so bad. Check.
See how the right's going over here. Oh, looks like we got a charge coming in from CSA. Charging this position. They're going to wipe this. Easy wipe for CSA here.
Good job, boys. Good job, boys. Fall back on the double leg. All right.
Oh my God.
Head west.
19, head west.
What the fuck were you thinking?
Looks like late rotation. Both flag is down.
What you gonna do about it?
Both flags are down.
I shot your flag. What you gonna
Both
do
flags
about
are
it?
down. They're gonna get wiped.
Gotcha.
CSA is gonna lose that. Meanwhile,
I think I got their flag. I think I saw the
Union's
flag
getting
drop.
pushed back over here.
Go out there
CSA
and
needs
shoot,
to
then
push
come
the
back.
advantage now.
Stabbed. That was surprising. Unfortunately, my stamina is done.
Seeing double-sided rotation, some good movement from both sides here. Let's see if the Union gets surprised by 19th over here. Where's their focus?
Behind us, Grant.
That would be a big,
Ah,
massive respawn.
I just don't want you dying. Fuck. Forward.
Forward, boys, forward.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Take that corner, boys. Get off. You're not charging. You're not charging. You're standing and shooting.
Yeah, they're gonna.
Independent fire. Forward on them. Watch left. Watch left. Watch left. They're
right up there. They're right up there.
A shitload of them.
We'll just go kill them.
My dumbasses to the Enfield.
Here's the problem right here. They're gonna get shot up, and all those
right in
guys
front,
are
right in
gonna
front.
Independent fire. Independent fire
Forming up
northeast.
like this
Independent fire
in a
northeast,
clump.
boys.
always ends in disaster.
They went over the hill.
Charge, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get in there, boys. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there.
First. Yeah, they're gonna lose this. They're gonna get flanked. Yeah, they're gonna get wiped.
Hold the fucking line!
Keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding.
Shoot!
It's These guys need to run. You're just gonna stand there and die.
Fall back. Fall back.
Yeah,
We're not
good
gonna win
call.
that.
Yep, good call.
Countercharge! Stab and go, this fuckhead.
Yep,
Stab and go, these fuckers. Stay together.
that's gonna get cleaned up. Union full takes that side.
Reaper, I think they're gonna need
What are
help
we
left.
doing
We
here,
can fall
Tenth?
back. If you see those rocks to the west, if we can fall back and try to provide them cover fire.
Here, if you boys take that and supplement their fire, Mr. Rod. If you boys supplement their fire on the left, we'll stand here.
Alright.
Sure.
Tennessee, about face. We are moving west.
Alright, let's see where they are.
This is not looking good for CSA. They're slightly down on tickets, although they got plenty of time. If they play this right, that flag being down hurts them.
Low. Keep cutting this grass so well, I'm gonna hire you guys to do my yard next.
I'm not Mexican.
Yet to be proven.
So you get flanked.
Look right.
Good move by PV there.
Come on, son! Come on!
I don't think they're gonna win that though, unfortunately. Maybe. 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 Wow. I don't think either side won there. Apologies for the background noise.
Move left. Break your loads. Move left. Let's go.
They're shifting left.
Come on. Let's go.
Late rotation left. Looks like CSA. CSA needs to make a one concerted effort and push together, I think. 42nd being as large as they are, they outnumber a lot of the other units. So sitting back here, this is a lot of men here that are taking away from the battle.
So hold your position.
The fact that everybody else is spread out, well, 42nd has
We do more damage to them than they can do to us. We'll have
way more men. So let's see, 20, 37, 52. Yeah, so they got 52. I know they're operating independently, so most of these are, but at the same time, they're playing together a lot. So you got IVB here.
Where you cannot see the corn where you're reloading. That'd be the best
here.
bet.
And a small contingent of the RL side of 42nd.
No shots. No shots.
All right, push it up a little bit. Push it up a little bit.
Up here is good.
So
Not
1,
much
2, 3, 4,
disturbed.
5, 6, 7, 8.
What's
8 men are keeping 12, 10 to 15 here occupied.
That's a problem.
This is a good move here from 19. Shoot through that bush. It's divide and conquer. That's the way you have to play this. This is a bad position here, mainly because you're exposed here.
Back up.
Yep, good call. Use that hill to your advantage. Standing here is a bad place. It's an easy shot for CSA. GB is pushed up into the middle of this here.
Come on, HL.
CSA is going to push the advantage here.
Right oblique.
Straight in front of us, boys.
Straight in front,
Straight in front of us, right through those bushes.
Keep shooting, boys. Keep shooting.
Keep shooting right down that bush. You can see the blue pen.
See who peeks the hill first here. Oh, USC is withdrawing. Really? Interesting. I think they could have held that if they wanted to.
So now we're going to hit them again.
They have ordered you to die, GI.
No.
Tennessee, you're direct fire.
Check.
Up and over, 19.
I hear ya.
Up and over, boys.
Tennessee, watch your shots.
We're pushing with 19. Up and over, boys.
To the left.
Oh, they're going to try to eliminate this group over here. This is a good move.
I'm not even aiming my gun right now.
These guys are definitely going to be outnumbered here.
Oh,
Viking, fuck you.
Yep.
Left.
I see.
Flag better run.
Oh my god, it's a whole nother company.
Yeah.
Wow, they fucking suck.
Flag goes
Yeah,
down.
it's a whole nother company.
Hey, Laden. Hey,
Rush
Russian
on,
Lancers,
away.
break everything. We're pulling it
Yep,
back.
they're running.
Oh, alright.
Bye, PB. Have fun.
Bit late to the party here, 83rd.
Do it. It means they're going to be shooting once every...
Alright, let's see how is USA going to play this.
They're still focused to the right.
Second.
Thank you, Orca. Yep. Hold up. Go back.
Back left. Let's go.
Back.
I feel like Union kind of conceded the field here. Watch your back, PB. Well, PB decided to charge IPB here
Let me get a bayonet.
while they're getting charged in the back from 42nd.
We got him, we got him.
Lucky North.
What is going on here? It's absolute chaos. 19th rolls up.
Yeah, okay, we're fine.
And they stop the charge.
Okay, back online.
Tickets are now in CSA's favor.
Back online, back online.
HL is pushing back up.
You guys are doing good.
And what we got going on over here?
That's correct. You boys can see in the skyline that unit they are.
PB 28, FSB, a smattering of 19th, FSB, 83rd. Are squaring off here against.
Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it.
They're gonna get pushed off.
Back here, gents.
It's become the war of the defilades here.
There's a line once you're loaded. Yeah, line's left, free feedback.
Defilade here versus defilade here. There's a nice volley.
Well,
Higgins Brigade, readjust.
Looks like they're trying to flank Yeti.
We're good. They're taking the
Oh, what a volley.
Damn, that's like half you
wow,
guys.
we survived it right here.
This is why you don't stand on a hill to load. Especially when you have a defilade right behind you.
Free respawning.
These guys should be about ready for another volley. It's a good looking volley there. See if IVB can get this, hold this flank.
Come on, boys.
Concealment here is to the benefit, definitely, of Union. But this is a nice skirmish order line here.
Remember, shoot your mirror image, boys.
Yep.
Focus fire north.
Oh, they all missed. Look at that.
Good heavens.
I think they all shot high.
Information.
Not too close, not too close now. Don't bunch up.
Looks like I'm lagging.
Fire.
Looks like they're targeting the center of the line pretty well. Spread out, boys.
HL here is taking the casualties from IVB. Obviously, it's easier for these guys to make these shots.
Take your time in your shots. The flag out in the open. He's running around like a damn idiot. Shoot him down, boys.
So it's like a turkey shooting for the Union here. They have the concealment, while CSA does not. So it makes it easier. Let's see how 42nd's doing over here. These are excellent volleys for them. Basically, you roll up here onto the hill, you peek it, take your shots. Oh, it's CSA. Yep, CSA should have waited for this volley, because this volley is going to devastate that line.
Huzzah!
They're not going to volley. Okay. Okay, they are. Yeah, excellent volley there.
They got bucking ball.
Line them up, boys. Line them up. We got the upper hand.
Keep going, boys. Look at that left.
Oh, they're running.
IBB's going in. Yep, they're gonna wipe this. Wipe this. And they better keep going. Yep, they're gonna keep going. CSA's gonna get wiped. And tickets will now be used.
Eat shit! Eat shit! You guys are useless! I eat you guys for breakfast! I'll stack you up!
There we go. Good job. We got him.
Yeah, hell yeah, boys! Yeah! Yeah! Fuck them up!
Well done by the Union there. Well done by the Union. Let's see what's going on over here. Start from 10th.
Shoot that guy out by
Seems like a lot of guys over here that aren't doing a whole lot to benefit the team. I get it, they're keeping these guys at bay, but they're allowing 6 or 7 guys here to occupy. Well, I guess there's another line over here. It seems like they're losing the advantage here by having so many other lines on this left when it's really not necessary. And it's as if somebody read my mind. Looks like 83rd is going to be rotating to the middle. 10th, FSB. They have a good position
don't
here.
need you to, Mr. Woods. Alright, here they are, right in front of us. Northeast.
Yeah, they're making some good shots.
Hey, Nolan, we got the enemies to the west.
We did it. We dropped them to. Guys in the bush west.
Union has now taken the ticket advantage. Wow.
Oh, that fucking...
Yes.
See how they play this.
No, that's not us. Yo. Big John. Claw. That's not them. That's not us. Alright. Hey, chill on that line. Independent fire to Haybo.
Oh, I put him into taking losses, boys. That was my shot. I got him.
Good shot,
I got him. Yeah, dang.
Alright, boys. Come up the line. Keep the 3-man spacing.
Smoking the bushes on the left line.
Forward. Back it up.
Flank beside that, they're reinforced. Rise on the right, they came up and at us after Mr. Joker came up.
Shoot those skirmishers on the right.
Focused FSB on the.
I mean left.
You heard him, boys. We
Yeah.
focus north. We focus north.
Second platoon to the left.
Second platoon.
Go left. Platoon left. First platoon, stand firm.
CSA is not playing this as a team, they're playing this like individual units. Which they are.
Fucking A.
Here comes 42nd though, they're going to cut this off.
Ow. Hey.
And Union,
They got him.
unsurprisingly, holds.
Yeah, that's that group directly in front of us.
that line, shoot that line. Use the cover you have.
Right here.
That's where we were. I just kneecapped the poor guy. Oh no, Sergeant.
Fuck, keep going. Are they pushing us?
No, we're just falling back.
Mr. Owen.
Tunes like this.
Bruh.
CSA is going to mass up on this right, it looks like. What's our forces looking like? Oh, we got a spy here. I really believe the CSA gray helps fit spies. It's just harder to see. Versus that Yankee blue.
You heard him, boys.
That's what I'm trying. I knew it now. Yes.
That's a nice volley.
Definition of overkill was?
I think it was that.
Having just assassinated.
Uh-oh. Yeah, nice shot. Sergeant was. So I do believe, if I'm not mistaken here, CSA has the buck and ball. Yeah. That's the 42 rifle.
Time to go,
space out a little bit.
So the closer they are, the more devastating their shots. Union's going to charge this. CSA caps. Interesting here. 7 minutes for Union to counterattack this.
Kill their flags! Kill their flags! We're behind you! Ziegler!
Union gets routed. But here comes IVB.
Heyo.
Better late than never. And they're going to clean this up.
Hey, Newberry, let him cap. Let him cap. Let him cap. Let him come all the way here.
The Lord asked, who will I send? And I said, here am I.
IVB's going to get wiped.
Shoot him. Shoot these motherfuckers. Kill these guys. Dumbass fucking
Get this flag, get this flag, get this flag!
And here it is.
We're good.
Union's now breaking.
Look at this chancellor.
And I missed a flag assassination.
Do we want to pick up flags or no?
So now it looks like the Union has all consolidated to the center.
Flags to me.
Nice shot. They're going to try to wipe in detail here.
Oh, you should have been on him, boys.
You can't escape.
We better start running then. Back southeast east.
Stay together, turn around.
This is not going to end well for the Union. They were charging into buck and ball. This is too easy. Yeah, they didn't even make it to the line.
I love the Lamat so much. Hold the line,
overrated.
Don't give those low tickets.
That was a poor charge.
Hold the line, gentlemen. Just hold the line.
Hell yeah, boys. Hell yeah.
Worst case scenario, we'll recap if you die.
Kill.
Their foothold and them bushes.
Kill all these fucking inbreds.
Ages for us.
I'm not sure what the Union's trying to do here. You don't have the time to put the CSA in last stand. You got 3 minutes to retake, 3.5 minutes to retake, or this is game. Yeah, CSA is going to close the distance to make that fucking ball more devastating.
Flags in my rear. Oh shit.
They're stepping up.
Countercharge right. Break your reloads.
man,
Go on,
they're
boys.
gonna charge this.
Through the bucket.
Are we getting charged? They're coming.
Watch it. Push forward, Billy. I don't know where they're going.
Get these guys reloaded.
Push forward.
Shoot them.
Charge your flags out.
Well, I'll be a sucker.
Just keep shooting.
It's all good, boys. We got this. We got this by the ass.
Shoot them, here they come, they're coming back.
Boys, they fish in a barrel.
Hey, flag boy, what you doing?
Damn it.
What you doing?
Oh God.
I'm the flag boy now.
Keep going, boys. John, boys. Watch where you're stabbing.
Right now, it's because I heard your hefty.
All the way through.
Keep going.
Oh, stop saying I got the wrong gun. Keep going.
Well, they're going to try to last stand them.
Oh shit, this is a bad
CSA should still be moving. They should be trying to hold there. They're going to get wiped out. And Union retakes.
Keep the flags covered,
Okay,
boys.
interesting. Who do we have over here? I think this is all CSA now. Alright, so 83rd and remnants of PB are on this flank. I think this is the time to pressure this. You could push up, use this hill. Easy shots, and then pull back. Yep. That'd be a good move, because these guys are all clumped.
Final push.
Can you imagine if they got a volley into this?
Took the animation. Fuck.
Oh no.
So as you could learn from a tactician, when you have the flank and you're firing into a flank, it's basically like a clump, because all of these guys are lined
You want us to
up.
take a knee, sir?
Makes it much easier shots. And that's exactly what they're doing here. And these are good shots for them. I assume they have the 42 as well. Let's see what rifle we got here. That is a 53. Yeah, so that's a good accurate rifle. And these would be easy shots. Looks like they've turned a small group to face that direction. Problem is, these guys have no cover here, and those guys, the CSA, have the hill.
No.
Somebody got the flag.
Get that flag up, goddammit!
Hey, thank you.
Alright, we're gonna have to pull it back.
coming up.
Take aim.
Good volley. Good volley, good volley. They got 2, 3.
Oh, there's one.
Load and hold, load and
See
hold.
what's happening here? They're shifting a whole line to face that direction.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm on here, halfway, hold up.
Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back.
Good call by the officer there. They're
I
gonna get
shot one.
volleyed though.
That was a quick shot. I'm about to die. They're about to. How did I not die? What the fuck?
Lost 3. This is good move. This is good move. It's pulled these guys off point. Now they don't have enough on point. Now these guys can push up onto point and capture
Right.
the win.
Oh yeah, the way I see it there is. Oh god,
Union's gonna have to move a lot faster. And they're gonna now have to charge up the ball.
This isn't good.
Flag run, flag run, flag run.
Flag, get out of there.
Hold, 19, hold, brace, brace.
You're good.
Oh, 42nd? Is this the 42nd?
CSA goes
Is
down
this
and
the
lose
40
that.
seconds?
Now this
Swing
group's gonna get
left.
wiped. But they're making the Union pay. And tickets are even, which is not good for the Union. Because Union here is gonna hit
Hey, Jacobs,
last
hit
stand.
the hood for it.
Final push. Let's see if CSA can hold this. 3 minutes. Union, are now on last stand. So that means any Union guy that dies is permanently dead. No respawns left for Union here.
Come on, guys. Keep up the fire.
Yeah, we do need to.
Chance should push this. Union is so far out of position.
To a north.
These guys should push him. Yep.
Take a shot, reload, move up 15 paces.
Right in those bushes, right
Raise
there.
the call for us to cap. We'll push with you.
All right, let's go.
Shoot,
Let's
move,
move.
shoot,
Easy.
move. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ooh, good shot.
Slip dug in.
That's it. Countercharge north. We have no other choice. Go get them. Countercharge north.
Guys coming in from Maine here.
Get that officer. Whoever's got a
We need to
Form a square. Form a square.
We're buying time.
What you got? Hold what you got. Go get some
About face, boys. About face, back to point. On point, on point. Charge the hill.
Front of the hill.
80 seconds. 80 seconds.
Charge.
Do they have the time?
Yeah, let's get them back a little bit, guys.
I don't think they do. Let's see if they can make it happen, though. Let's see if they can pull it out.
Stay back, stay back. Let
Keep picking up
Keep
from last
going,
end.
keep going, keep going.
We're in last end.
$50 seconds. It's coming down to the wire. I think CSA is going to be able to do this, though. Union just doesn't have enough men left. Yep, that's game. CSA wins. Wow. It's well played by both sides. Well played. Union just came down to didn't have enough men there in the last Let's see the end battle screen. See what the casualties were. Yep. Wow, that was close. Alright, well, see you for round 2. Just a minute.